बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा। आप देख रहे हैं इंग्लिश विद अरशद और मैं हूँ अरशद शहजाद। आज मैं हाज़िर हुआ हूँ एक नया टॉपिक लेकर। ये लेक्चर जो है 10th क्लास इंग्लिश ट्राई अगेन लेसन नंबर 3 है। और ट्राई अगेन यानी बार बार कोशिश। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। शुरू करने से पहले इंग्लिश विद अरशद को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कीजिए। इसमें हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे आपके वर्ड मीनिंग, उनके सिनोनियम्स और ट्रांसलेशन विद रेफरेंस टू कॉन्टेक्स्ट। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। वर्ड मीनिंग, सिनोनियम्स और उनके उर्दू मीनिंग। सक्सीड कामयाब होना, डू वेल और बी सक्सेसफुल। परसिवेर साबित कदम रहना, परसिस्ट, कीप ऑन और कैरी ऑन। करेज हिम्मत, हौसला, ब्रेवरी, वैलियर और डेयरिंग। अपीयर नजर आना, सीम, लुक, लुक लाइक। और कंकर फतह पाना, विन, विक्ट्री और सक्सेस। हीड ध्यान देना, तवज्जो देना, अटेंशन और अटेंटिवनेस। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट ट्रांसलेशन। टीज अ लेसन यू शुड हीड। ये एक सबक है जिस पे तुम ध्यान दो या तुम्हें तवज्जो देनी चाहिए। ट्राई अगेन, और वो सबक क्या है? दोबारा कोशिश करो। इफ़ एट फर्स्ट यू डोंट सक्सीड, अगर पहली बार तुम कामयाब नहीं होते, ट्राई अगेन, तो दोबारा कोशिश करो। देन योर करेज शुड अपीयर, तब तुम्हारी हिम्मत नजर आनी चाहिए। फॉर इफ यू विल परसिवेयर, क्योंकि अगर तुम साबित कदम रहोगे, यू विल कंकर, यू विल कंकर, नेवर फियर, ट्राई अगेन, तो तुम फतह पा लोगे। कभी ना डरो, दोबारा कोशिश करो। रेफरेंस: These lines have been taken from the poem Try Again, written by W. E. Hickson. Context: this poem indicates the importance of trying again in case we fail in doing something due to some adverse circumstances. According to the poet, according to the poet, if we fail in our first attempt, we should not give up. Rather, we should continue trying again till we succeed. Explanation: in these lines, the poet says that trying again is a message that cannot be ignored. We must keep this message in view. If due to adverse circumstances we fail in our first effort, we should not lose heart. Rather, we should make better efforts to reach our goal. We must demonstrate that we have firmness to bear the loss. Then we should come forward with a new spirit. We should be steadfast in our efforts without any fear. If you do so, we will be succeeding. Thus, we should not neglect the lesson. Try again. Question है, what does the word persevere mean? Persevere mean, the word persevere means persist steadily in an action or belief. Stanza number 2. Prevail, ghalibana, overcome, dominate, disgrace, insult, contempt, race, dौड़, contest, com- competition, fail, नाकाम होना, unsuccessful, strive, सख्त मेहनत करना, struggle, hard, case, सूरत हाल, situation. Once or twice, though you should fail, एक मरतबा, एक दो मरतबा, अगरचे तुम नाकाम हो गए, if you would at last prevail, अगर आखिरकार तुम गालिब आ जाओ, try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. If you strive, it is no disgrace, इसमें कोई शर्म नहीं अगर हम सख्त जिद्दोजहद करें. Though we did not win the race, अगरचे हमने दौड़ में जीत हासिल नहीं की, what should you do in that case, फिर तुम्हें इस मामला में क्या करना चाहिए. Try again, दोबारा कोशिश करो. These lines have been taken from the poem Try Again, written by W.E. Hickson. Context: this poem indicates the importance of trying again in case we fail in doing something due to some adverse circumstances. According to the poet, if we fail in our first attempt, we should not give up. Rather, we should continue trying again till we succeed. Explanation: in these lines, the poet says that we may fail in our efforts for one time or two, but if we keep on struggling, we will finally win. What we need to do is to keep on working and not to get disappointed and be persistent in striving. It is not a matter of shame to work, though we have failed in our preceding efforts. We should not feel disappointed. What what we need to do in such a situation is trying again. Question: if we strive, it is no disgrace. Explain this sentence. If we strive after failure and compete steadily for a good cause, it is an honor, not a disgrace. Third stanza. Fear, डर, खौफ, horror, terror or awfulness, task, काम, job, work or assignment, win, win, जीतना, succeed, triumph, get success, reward, इनाम, prize, award or trophy, patient, साबित कदमी, endurance, persistence, hard, मुश्किल, tough or strong, rule, usul, principle, ethic, folk, log, people or person. If you see your task is hard, try again. अगर तुम्हें मालूम हो या तुम ये देखो कि तुम्हारा काम मुश्किल है तो दोबारा कोशिश करो. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. वक्त आएगा जब तुम्हें तुम्हारा इनाम मिल जाएगा. दोबारा कोशिश करो. All that other folk can do, वो काम जो दूसरे लोग कर सकते हैं. Why with patience should not you, तो तुम साबित कदमी से क्यों नहीं कर सकते. Only keep this rule in view, try again. सिर्फ यही उसूल निगाह में रखो, दोबारा कोशिश करो. Reference and context will be same. Explanation: in these lines, the poet gives us a message of hope, courage, hard work, perseverance, and optimism. We should always keep this message in mind to be crowded with victory in our lives. There will be a time when you will enjoy the fruit of your labor. What you need to do is to keep on working. You must know that if all people can do their jobs, you can also do yours. What you need is to be persistent in making efforts. The only thing you must keep in mind is that you should never get disappointed. You just need to continue working till you succeed. Question: why is the poet repeating the sentence try again? The poet repeats again and again the sentence to give emphasis on the importance of trying again and again. Dear students, I hope you got everything which I have shared with you. So, if you have any question, you can ask. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe English with Darshan.